So just a small chain just to show you how you work around. So I can go down one side and round the other, and this is used on a lot of my characters. So again, we don't go in the first one, that's your turning chain, but we're going to do 2 in the second chain from the hook. So that's the first one, this is the second one. We're going to do 2, which in fact is an increase. Just by doing 2 stitches in the same place is an increase. I'm just going to do double crochets to the end of this chain, till you get to the last one. There we go, so we're at the last one, and this time I'm going to do 3 in this stitch, and what will happen is it'll automatically give you an arch that makes you turn round to the other side. So that's 1. I'm still got the V, I'm only still going through the 1 stitch, so that's 2. And what I'll do here is I'll take the tail out the way and turn the work 180 degrees, and I'm still working in the same stitch, pulling the tail out the way and doing my 3rd double crochet. Now I can then tighten that because that's my slip knot. Okay, so now we've gone from working along here, we've gone round the corner, and now we've turned it so we're working on the other side. So here you have the V's that you left. So you go into each one of those and do your double crochet. If you wanted to, if you're finding it too difficult, you could go into the back loop only. That will leave a little line on the right side, or you can go in the front loop only, where the line will be on the underside. Now we've got to the last stitch. Your pattern will tell you how many to do in this last stitch. As we did 3 on the bend here, we'd already done 2 in the first stitch at the beginning, so now we just need to do 1 in the last stitch, so that one becomes 3, and that would be the end of your foundation row. And now you can go in an oval circuit. A lot of these are used on the feet of Knitty Critters, and that's how you would do it.